Welcome back, students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you Selenium WebDriver weights. So what are the weights available in Selenium? So first of all, understand why we use the Selenium weights. See, Selenium tool doesn't wait for any application. So for match the time duration for application login and execution of script, so Selenium wait give the instruction to the Selenium code to wait until the particular web element to be visible. So using Selenium wait we can manage the gap between Selenium script and application login speed. So what are the wait available in Selenium? So first is implicit wait, second one explicit wait, third wait FluentWait. So these are the weights, and another one is timeouts wait. So in the timeout there is page load, timeout, and second one set script timeout. So these are the Selenium wait available. So see, so these are the wait. So first one, implicit wait. So what is the implicit wait? So see here, implicit wait is applicable for findElement and findElements method. So it returns once and applicable to the entire Selenium script. So see here, it is applicable for findElement and findElements method. It returns once and it applicable to entire Selenium script. So how you can write down the syntax of implicitly wait? So for that, see here, so once we return the code WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver, after launching the Chrome driver you should return the web element, means implicit element command. So how you can write down? See, driver.manage timeouts implicitly wait duration of class, so 20 seconds. So see here, so this is the command of implicitly wait. So see one by one description of this command. So here driver is the reference, manage is the method, timeouts also one of the method, implicitly wait, this is also one method, duration is the class which provide .of_seconds method. So this is the milliseconds. So this is the syntax. So when we return implicitly wait, it will apply to entire session and it is support to the findElement and findElements method. So just think about this time unit. So this is in seconds. For example, so your application login, or if you are trying to find out any web element, that web element will appear on the web page within the 5 seconds. Okay, so if that web element appear in 5 seconds, so we have given here 20 seconds, so our script will not wait up to 15 seconds, so remaining 15 seconds it will skip, means our application login and we are trying to find out any element, that element is visible in 5 seconds, so remaining 15 seconds will skip, means it will not wait to until the this 20 seconds. If the application login within 2 seconds and the particular find out web element is visible in 5 seconds, so remaining 15 seconds will be skipped. So see, if the web element is not able to find out, then it will throw the exception, element not visible or element not found exception. So this is about the implicitly waits. One advantages is it returns once and applicable to entire script. Means for example, if you return here the implicit wait, then you are trying to find out any web element, for example http://www.gmail.com and then driver.findElement By.xpath. So your find out, suppose if any element, so if you return once implicitly wait, it will apply to the entire script, so it will wait until to find out any web element. So if element not visible, it will throws no such element exception, and implicitly wait, this is applicable to findElement and driver.findElements method. So this is applicable for this only 2 methods. So this is use of implicitly wait. So then explicitly wait. So if you want to find out any web element, so you can use explicitly wait. So explicitly wait, it is applicable to only one elements. For example, you are trying to reach to any web element, so that this explicitly wait until only that particular element visible. So it is applicable to only single element, it will not applicable to entire web page. Then FluentWait, is applicable to dynamic web element. For example, if any web element, sometime it will appear within 5 seconds, sometime it will appear in 10 seconds when the application login, sometime it will take 1 minute of time. So that type of element you can handle with the FluentWait. So this is about the implicitlyWait, explicitlyWait and FluentWait. So we will discuss more about this in upcoming session. Then we will discuss about the time units, page load timeout and set script timeouts. So this is the introduction part. We will discuss this one in deeply in upcoming session. Welcome back students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you implicitlyWait. So before going to discuss about the implicitlyWait, there is one Java wait, Thread.sleep. So see here, thread is the class which provides sleep method. It take the input in milliseconds. For example, I written here 2000, so it will wait for 2000 millisecond means 2 minutes. So how you can write down this in code? So here I can simply write the thread. Thread is a class which provides sleep method. It will take 2000 in milliseconds and it will throw the exception. So see how it will work. So suppose take a scenario. Stop login, Gmail, login page. So I want to find out, I have to find out this element, means this box. Okay. So here simply I am going to inspect this one. See here, type equals to email. Simply copy, Control F. So here double forward slash @ type equals to email. So it has find out. Okay. So here my intention is I want to launch this Gmail login page. After waiting 3 minutes of time, it should write down or send the some data. Okay, send some data inside this email or phone number. So driver.findElement by.xpath. So provide the XPath here. Dot send keys. Inside the send keys I will write Mahesh sir. Okay. So see how the script will execute. Just click on run. See, Chrome is started and see it has returned successfully. So if you observe, our script wait for little bit of time, for example 3 seconds of time, our script here wait, and then this command is executed. So this is use of thread.sleep. So thread.sleep, if you return 1, this is the applicable only for this command only. If you return one more command here, then this thread.sleep will not applicable to this second command, because this is applicable to only single script or a single command. So this is about the Java wait Thread.sleep. It will take in millisecond of time. So our second means first implicitly wait. So we use implicitly wait in Selenium to wait until any web element to be visible. For example, so if you want to wait, okay, if you want to wait to any web element which is present on the web, so you can use implicitly wait. It is written once and applicable to entire session, and implicitly wait, it's applicable to this method findElement and findElements method. So normally we are finding any web element using this command, so it will applicable to this two elements. So see, this is the syntax of implicitly wait. So driver is the reference variable here, then manage is the method, then timeouts also, this is the method. So here we are going to use nested concept. Then implicitly also one of the method. Here duration is the class which provide this of seconds methods, and it will take the time in seconds. So it will wait 20 seconds. So how you can write down this in our code? So implicitly wait, you should write down here below the this WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. So after return the command of Chrome driver, you should write down driver.manage.timeouts.implicitly wait. So it will take duration of seconds. So here you should use a duration in seconds. So if you return once, so it will applicable to entire session. So see here, so here I have sended this one, and again I'm trying to find out. So this one, create an account. So simply I'm going to copy this one. So write or create command /* in bracket. See here, create account. So I will use text method. So see, it has find out. So see here, copy, then driver.findElement By.xpath, then .click. So see here, if you use implicit wait here at the top level below the WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver, so it will applicable to entire script. So below this, if you return 10 or 20 commands, so it will applicable to entire script. No need to write down each and every time. So if you return once, so it will applicable to entire one. So see here, I'm going to run. It has launched the Chrome browser. It has returned, and see here we have successfully clicked. Means there is no synchronization error. So our script is waiting until this task is completed, then this task will be completed. So this is use of implicitly wait. And see here, if you give the 20 seconds of time to wait, so if our element means first find element is find out within 5 seconds, so it will not wait remaining 15 seconds, so next script will be executed. So we have given the time duration here 20 seconds, but if our element find out in 5 seconds, then remaining 15 seconds it will skip. So this is the advantages of implicitly wait. So next is explicitly wait, we will discuss in upcoming session. Welcome back students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you explicitly wait. So explicitly wait is the Selenium WebDriver wait. It is applicable to single element, means using explicitly wait you can target to any single element to be visible. For example, take a scenario, so you have to wait until this button to be visible, no need to wait to other element to be visible. So you can use explicitly wait in your code to wait until or only single element to be visible. So see how you can write down the code for explicitly wait. So you can use WebDriverWait, wait equals to new WebDriverWait. So WebDriverWait is the class. It will take driver, comma, so it will use duration class of seconds 20. Then so you can use wait to handle to any alert. So how you can handle using WebDriver wait or explicitly wait. So wait provide until method. So explicitly wait provide until method, in that we have to import expected condition class, so which provide one method alert to be present. So this is the method alert is present. If the alert is present, then we have to move our WebDriver control to click on the alert. So for that, driver.switchTo.alert.accept. So like this you can handle any alert using explicitly wait. So here WebDriverWait is the class. So WebDriverWait, inside that we use the object of the WebDriver or reference variable, here we use, then duration is the class which provide of seconds method. So it will wait 20 seconds of time. Then until is the method, in that we have to use expected condition class. So using expected condition class we can handle alert in Selenium. So it provide alert is present. If the alert is present, we have to move our Selenium control to the click on the alert. So for that, driver.switchTo.alert.accept. So take another scenario. So you have to see here, you have to wait until this next button to be visible. If the button is visible, you have to click, means if the button is clickable, then only you have to click on that. So how to do that? So create the XPath. So here I use /* text is next. So I have created one XPath using text function. So here I can use wait.until. So here before writing that, let me write down one command, driver.findElement by.xpath. so inside I will provide this one, and this will I will store inside one web element interface. Web element, I will give next. Okay, so here I will wait dot until expected condition dot. So see, these are the method: alert is present, element to be clickable, element to be clickable. So titles, we can verify the titles, attribute contains. So there are number of method present in expected condition class. So our condition is element to be clickable. So here I will give the reference of next variable dot click. So this script will wait until the next element to be visible. If the element is visible, then and that element to be clickable, then only it will click. So using this code I can target only next button, so it will not wait to entire this loading. So if the next button is visible, then only it will be click. So like this, using ExplicitlyWait, you can handle the single web element. So this is use of ExplicitlyWait. So ExplicitlyWait is applicable to any single element, or you can target any single element to be visible using ExplicitlyWait. So this is the code of ExplicitlyWait. Using this you can handle any alert, or you can check any web element to be visible or not. So this is the code. You can use in your script to handle any single web element. So in upcoming video or tutorial, I will explain FluentWait. Welcome back, students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you FluentWait. So FluentWait is the class which is used to target any single element, or it is used to handle non-reproducible bug. So take a scenario, for example, so this is Gmail login page. So you have to verify that this web elements, for example, next is the button. Sometime it will appear within 5 seconds. Second time when we load the page, then it will appear in 4 seconds. Again, when we load the application, it will appear on the web within 3 seconds. So these types of web element you can handle with the help of FluentWait. And see, so how we can write down the Selenium script using FluentWait. So in FluentWait, so we use the with time unit method. So here we can specify the time unit. So see this one practically. So first of all, WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver, then driver dot get http yes, www.gmail.com. So here we have to use the FluentWait class. So here use this one, FluentWait, hit enter. So inside this write down the WebDriver interface, then variable name FluentWait equals to new FluentWait. So see, inside this you have to write down the WebDriver interface, and here you have to give the driver reference. So after that you have to provide the time units to load the page. So for that use the reference variable dot time unit. With time unit is the method, in that you have to give the duration. So here you have to specify the duration dot of seconds. So here I will give 30 seconds of time to find out any element. Then you have to specify the pooling frequency. So pooling frequency is the method, see here, dot pooling frequency is the method which find out the particular web element in every, for example, if I give the 3 seconds, so we have given the time unit 30 seconds, so it will redirect to the particular element each and every 3 seconds until this 30 second is over. So this is the use of pooling frequency. So it will check after every 3 seconds the particular element or title is available or not. So see here, my intention is I want to find out this title is present or not. Okay, so how to do using FluentWait? So for that FluentWait provide until method. In that until method we can use ExpectedCondition is the class which provide, so we can title contains methods. So title contains, this is the method. Inside simply give the title Gmail, and using FluentWait you can ignore no such element exception, or we can see here ignoring. So here simply you can ignore no such element exception, provide the dot class. So like this you can use FluentWait to in your script. So we have given the time unit 30 seconds. So after 3 seconds, every 3 seconds it will redirect and check the title is present or not. If sometime the no such element exception occur, it will ignore this no such element exception with the help of ignoring method. So see what will happen when I run this script. Just click on run. So like this we can use it. So it has launch and check our title is present, means we have successfully executed.